Hello and welcome to Investor Web, your home for all things related to the future of work, technology and investment. We're glad you've joined us today and we appreciate your ongoing support. Now let's get down to the crux of today's video. The world of work is changing rapidly, and it's largely due to the incredible advancements in artificial intelligence. AI is not only reshaping how we live, but also how and where we work. Certain jobs, once considered secure, are now on the brink of obsolescence. Intriguing, isn't it? Well, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Over the next few minutes, we'll uncover the top 10 jobs that, according to some experts, may not survive the next 2 decades due to the unstoppable march of AI. So buckle up as we delve into the top 10 jobs that are predicted to vanish in the next 20 years due to advancements in AI. At number 10, we have cashiers. In the age of technological innovation and digital convenience, the traditional role of cashiers is fast becoming redundant. Automated checkout systems and online shopping are effectively replacing the need for human cashiers. These advancements are not just theoretical, but very much a part of our reality. Take a moment to think about the last time you visited a supermarket. You might have noticed self-checkout stations cropping up, reducing the need for manned registers, or perhaps you're one of the millions who have embraced the convenience of online shopping where the entire purchasing process is automated. The shift is gradual but undeniable. While this transformation presents a challenge for those currently employed as cashiers, it also offers an opportunity to adapt and acquire new skills in an ever-evolving job market. So, next time you're at the checkout, consider that it might be one of the last times you interact with a human cashier. Coming in at number 9, we have factory workers. Now, when we think of factories, we often picture bustling facilities filled with workers tirelessly assembling, inspecting, and packaging products. However, the factory landscape is changing dramatically. The rise of automation and artificial intelligence is reshaping the way factories operate. Robots, with their precision, speed, and ability to work around the clock, are increasingly taking over roles traditionally done by humans. They're not just performing simple, repetitive tasks either. Advanced robots are now capable of performing complex operations that once required human dexterity and judgment. This shift towards automation is driven by a desire for increased efficiency and cost reduction. However, it means that the job security of factory workers is under threat. As technology continues to evolve, the trend towards automation is only set to accelerate. The factory of the future may be a place where robots outnumber humans. At number 8 are the telemarketers. Now, we all have had our share of unsolicited calls at the most inconvenient times, haven't we? Well, the realm of telemarketing is on the cusp of a significant shift. With the rise of artificial intelligence, companies are now able to use AI to make these calls and send targeted messages. These AI systems are not only capable of mimicking human conversation, but also learning from it, making them more efficient and effective over time. The implication, the role of traditional telemarketers might become obsolete. Furthermore, the AI can work all round the clock without the need for breaks or holidays, providing a cost-effective solution for businesses. While this might mean fewer job opportunities in the telemarketing industry, it's also an invitation for the workforce to adapt and acquire new skills. So those annoying marketing calls might soon be a thing of the past. Up next at number 7 are travel agents. In a world where convenience is king, the traditional role of the travel agent is being rapidly replaced. Online booking platforms and travel apps have made it possible for travelers to plan and book their entire journey from the comfort of their own homes, all with a few simple clicks. And it doesn't stop there. Artificial intelligence is taking this convenience to a whole new level. AI travel assistants can provide personalized recommendations based on your preferences, book flights and accommodations, and even predict future travel trends. No more waiting on hold to speak with a travel agent, no more sifting through brochures or websites. With AI, the entire world is at your fingertips, ready to be explored. So the next time you're planning a trip, don't be surprised if it's an AI helping you out. Your next vacation might be planned entirely by an AI. Driving into number 5, we have drivers. It's no secret that the auto industry has been buzzing with the advent of self-driving cars. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are investing billions into this technology, aiming to create a safer and more efficient way of getting from point A to point B. But what does this mean for human drivers? Well, In the not-too-distant future, taxi drivers, truck drivers, and even pizza delivery drivers could find their roles on the brink of redundancy. With the rise of autonomous vehicles, we could see a shift towards a transport system devoid of human error, fatigue, and the need for coffee breaks. However, this doesn't mean that it's all doom and gloom for drivers. There will always be a need for human intervention in complex or unpredictable situations. But as the technology advances, it's clear that the future of transport might not need a human at the wheel. At number 5, we have paralegals. Digging into the thick of legal documents and conducting meticulous legal research have long been the bread and butter of paralegals. However, the rise of artificial intelligence is poised to shake up this traditional landscape. AI technology is now sophisticated enough to handle many tasks that were once the exclusive domain of paralegals. Document review, a task that often requires countless hours of reading, can now be streamlined with AI, which can quickly scan and analyze hundreds of pages in mere minutes. Moreover, legal research, another key function of paralegals, is also becoming automated. AI can efficiently sift through vast amounts of legal data, case files, and law reports, delivering accurate results in a fraction of the time. In this rapidly evolving digital age, the law firm of the future might rely more on AI than human paralegals. While this shift may not eliminate the role entirely, it certainly signals a profound change in the legal profession. Next up at number 4, we have bank tellers. This role, once a mainstay in banking halls worldwide, is gradually becoming obsolete. And what's the cause? The rise of online banking and automated teller machines, or ATMs as most of us know them. These digital platforms offer the convenience of 24/7 service, eliminating the need to wait in line to perform simple transactions like cash withdrawals, deposits, or balance inquiries. In fact, the face of banking is changing so rapidly that some banks are already fully digital, with no physical branches whatsoever. Other banks have opted for hybrid models, combining digital banking with fewer, more specialized human staff. These staff often focus on complex customer issues and financial advice rather than everyday transactions. So while we may see fewer traditional bank tellers in the future, their roles are evolving rather than disappearing completely. The bank of the future might not have any human tellers. Coming in at number 8, we have printers and publishers. The traditional publishing industry is undergoing a seismic shift, primarily due to the rise of digital media and ebooks. The ease of access, cost-effectiveness, and environmental friendliness of these mediums are making them increasingly popular. The traditional role of printers and publishers, managing the production and distribution of physical books, is being overshadowed by the efficiency of digital platforms. These platforms can reach a global audience in a matter of seconds, something that was unthinkable in the era of traditional publishing. Moreover, the advent of artificial intelligence is streamlining the process even more. AI can now manage the editing, formatting, and even marketing of digital publications, reducing the need for human intervention. So while the love for a good old-fashioned book might never completely fade, the roles of traditional printers and publishers are certainly under threat. The future of publishing might be entirely digital. At number 2, we have postal workers. A job that has been a mainstay for centuries is now facing a significant threat from the rise of digital communication. The advent of email and instant messaging has drastically reduced the need for traditional mail services. Why wait for days to receive a letter when you can send an email that arrives in seconds? Even formal communication, which once relied heavily on the postal system, has shifted towards electronic mediums. Electronic billing, another digital innovation, has further eroded the need for postal services. Companies and individuals alike prefer the convenience, speed, and environmental friendliness of e-billing over traditional paper billing. Moreover, with the growth of artificial intelligence, even parcel delivery could soon be taken over by drones and robots, putting further pressure on the postal industry. It's clear that the future of communication might not involve any physical mail. As we transition towards a more digital world, the role of postal workers is gradually becoming obsolete. Finally, at number 1, we have data entry clerks. Once the backbone of many industries, data entry jobs are increasingly at risk due to the rise of artificial intelligence. The repetitive, routine nature of data entry makes it a prime candidate for automation. AI is not only capable of performing these tasks faster, but also with significantly higher accuracy, reducing the risk of human error. From finance to healthcare, AI algorithms are now being developed to read, interpret, and input data. These systems can work non-stop 24/7, without the need for breaks, holidays, or even a cup of tea. They are immune to the fatigue and distraction that can plague human workers, leading to mistakes. What's more, AI data entry systems can learn and improve over time, becoming more efficient and accurate with each task they perform. The office of the future might not have any data entry clerks. And there you have it, the top 10 jobs that might disappear in the next 20 years due to AI. We've traversed the landscape of employment from cashiers to factory workers, telemarketers to travel agents, drivers to paralegals, bank tellers to printers and publishers, postal workers and data entry clerks. Each role in its own way facing a significant shift as artificial intelligence continues to evolve and integrate into our daily lives. This is by no means a cause for despair, rather an opportunity to adapt and prepare. The future of work is changing, and with it, our approach to our careers must also evolve. Embrace the change, seek out new skills, and remember that the only constant in life is change itself. Thank you for joining us on Investor Web. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the future of work and technology. Until next time, keep investing in your future.